Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning. Today in class 12 biology, the chapter is heredity and variation, and the subtopic is Mendel's law, means Mendel's law of inheritance. About Mendel, he was a monk in Austria and grows garden pea in his own garden that's situated in monastery, and observe the characters or traits that are responsible. So his discovery over mask for several years. So now based on the breeding experiment, Mendel gives three laws. One is law of dominance, second is law of segregation or law of purity of gametes or law of separation. Third is law of independent assortment. So here three prominent scientists who were rediscovered the Mendel's law. These are Mendel's law of inheritance, rediscovered in 1900. Why? One is Hugo de Varis from Holland, Karl Korens from Germany, and Erich von Seemack from Austria. So these were the scientists who rediscovered Mendel's law. So here first law, law of dominance. According to this law, this law states that when two alternative forms of a trait or character, gene or allele are present in an organism, only one can express itself and called dominant, and another masked or cannot express is called a recessive. So here one is dominant and another is recessive. For example, when two breeding homozygous tall pea plant crosses with true breeding homozygous dwarf plant. So in F1 hybrid, all the offsprings are tall because tallness overmass the recessiveness. Student, suppose that this is the tall parental generation, means P generation. Tall cross with dwarf. So these are the phenotype. So for tall, its genotype capital T, and for dwarf, its genotype is small t. So this is the homozygous dominant, and this is the homozygous recessive. Now gamete formation means half of the chromosome. Gamete formation, capital T from this side and small t from dwarf side. Both are crossed together. So here one pair of contrasting characters. So this is a monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross, and resultant capital T and small t. This is the F1 generation, and here all the tall plants. So this is about example of law of dominance. Second question about monohybrid cross of two breeding pea plant. So here round the shape of seed cross with wrinkled. So this is the parental generation. Now here capital R, this is a gene for round, and small r, this is a gene for wrinkled. So gamete formation. So capital R from this side, round side, and small r from wrinkled side. Both are close together, they form capital R and small r. So this is the F1 hybrid. Means this is the F1 generation. So if we can again cross, means capital R, small r, cross with capital R and small r. So here capital R to capital R, homozygous dominant, capital R to small r, capital R small r heterozygous, small r to capital R to small r heterozygous, and this one to this one, small r. So we find here F2 generation and the ratio is monohybrid ratio 3 is to 1 means hybrid ratio for round and wrinkled. So 3 round is to 1 wrinkled, and its genotype ratio capital R is to capital R is to smaller. So 1 ratio 2 ratio 1. So this is the F2 generation ratio. Dear student, this is about monohybrid cross. So you have noted down this concept. This is for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.